Hello everyone. Operational amplifier can be configured to use as an integrator. In this video, we will analyze the working of the operational amplifier as an integrator. That is, the output of the amplifier is the integration of the input voltage. Op-amp integration uses capacitor as a feedback element as shown here. The input is given at the inverting terminal of the op-amp. Non-inverting terminal is grounded here. By virtual ground concept, op-amp will try to keep its input terminal at the same potential. So, the potential at this point is equal to 0. Let In be the input current and IC be the current flowing through the capacitor. If we take the ideal case, the input current through the op-amp is 0. That is, the op-amp does not draw any current inside it. We can say that the current flowing from the input is flowing through the feedback path also. That is, In is equal to IC. When you apply KCL at the input side, In can be written as In is equal to Vin minus V divided by R. Here V is equal to 0 volt. So, In is equal to Vin divided by R. Let it be equation 1. At the output side, we can write the current through the capacitor as IC is equal to CF into dVc divided by dt. Here Vc is nothing but the voltage across the capacitor. The voltage across the capacitor can be written as IC is equal to CF into d by dt of voltage across the capacitor is nothing but V minus V out. Here V is equal to 0 volts. We can write IC is equal to CF into d by dt of V out minus. Let it be equation number 2. So, we already mentioned In is equal to IC. So, we can equate both this equation. This Vin by R is equal to minus CF d by dt of V out, or d by dt of V out is equal to minus 1 by R into CF to V in. Taking integration on both sides, we can write V out is equal to minus 1 by R into CF integration of V in into dt. This is the output voltage of the integrator. Here minus 1 by RCF is the time constant of the integrator. Here the negative sign indicates the phase shift between input and output. If a constant positive voltage is applied to the input of the integrator, if a constant positive voltage is applied to the input of the integrator, we will get a output voltage which falls at the linear rate. Output voltage falls at the linear rate. The rate depends on the time constant of the integrator. Okay. If you apply sine wave to the integrator, you will get the cosine wave, and if you apply a square wave to the integrator, you will get the triangular wave. Now, when we talk about the applications of the integrator circuit is used in analog computer, then ADC, analog to digital converters, and mostly used in the wave shaping circuits. Thank you.